machiegni. Jatend piny Kenya Wiliiam Ruto wacho ni apisa mag obila ma jendeke matiyo ganda jo Kenya gi tok moruodho ibiro kawnegi okang mager mar chik. Gi thuolono bende Ruto ne osingo ne jo Kenya ni obila moro amora mane yud ka oketho chik biro mana ting'o musalape kende owuon.
Let me also commit every policeman and woman as they discharge the noble duty of protecting the lives of Kenyans and their property. They are adequately covered by insurance. We will equally protect citizens from rogue police officers and make sure that we hold them to account so that we can have a nation that is based on the rule of law, where everybody is serving under the rule of law.
Ka jatend piny bende koro ne osingo ni okang mager mar chik ibiro kaw ne bede migepe moko ma bende osebedo ka chwalo nyime ohendni ma chik ok opuodho machalo kaka gige lweny maricho kaachiel kod mago ma bende uso kuong ma chik ok opuodho.
Kenya has consistently championed the adoption of strong and universal frameworks in arms control. Consequently, we are actively considering the ratification of global treaties such as the Arms Trade Treaty, which seeks to regulate international trade in conventional arms and prevent their illicit diversion and misuse. Accordingly, I ask the relevant state departments and agencies to begin the necessary processes and establish modalities for Kenya to sign all relevant arms control treaties that align with our national interest and security imperatives.